Al Hind Air represent an attempt to build a regionally focused aviation model within India's expanding air travel ecosystem. Al Hind Air is promoted by the Al Hind Group, a long-established business group based in Kerala, with interests in travel, tourism, and logistics. The airline's founder and chairman is T. Muhammad Haris, who leads the group's operations and previously built experience in charter and travel services. In December 2025, the Ministry of Civil Aviation granted Al Hind Air a no-objection certificate alongside Fly Express, signaling official regulatory clearance to proceed towards certification. This clearance was part of the government's broader strategy to enhance competition and connectivity following the recent Indigo operational disruption. However, Al Hind Air, like other new carriers, still needs to secure an air operator certificate from the Directorate General of Civil Aviation before commercial operations can begin. According to company and industry sources, Al Hind Air plans to launch initially as a regional commuter airline serving domestic routes within southern India. The airline aims to use 3 ATR 72-600 turboprop aircraft at launch, a common regional aircraft choice that balances capacity, fuel efficiency, and short runway operations. Its proposed hub is Cochin International Airport, from where it intends to connect cities such as Kochi, Thiruvananthapuram, Kozhikode, and potentially other underserved regional centers. Al Hind Air's strategy emphasizes short-haul connectivity, meeting demand in markets where larger jets may be less efficient. Regional carriers like this typically focus on Tier 2 and Tier 3 routes, airports with lower passenger volumes and frequency over scale. The airline has also stated intentions to expand service over time, potentially including routes linking to the Gulf region where strong travel demand exists due to diaspora traffic and tourism. Regional or commuter airlines, often operating turboprop aircraft like the ATR-72, play a significant role in global aviation by connecting smaller markets to larger hubs and enhancing overall network resilience. In India's rapidly growing aviation market, such carriers can help boost regional connectivity and relieve pressure on metro routes. However, regional operators also face typical industry challenges such as thin profit margins, competition with rail and road alternatives on short hauls, and dependence on efficient turnaround operations. Al Hind Air's plans place it firmly within the regional aviation segment. While its focus on southern India and turboprop operations aligns with global regional airline models, the real test will lie in execution, particularly in managing margins, competition, and reliability. Its progress will offer a useful indicator of how viable regional aviation can be within India's fast-growing but highly competitive market.